What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that can literally get you deactivated from DoorDash, even when you did nothing wrong. If you ever shown up to a restaurant and found it closed, only for DoorDash to later hit you with a warning saying, actually another Dasher picked up the order, then you know how frustrating this can be. So today I'm breaking down exactly what happens, why DoorDash system is flawed, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself from false reports that could cost you your gig. All right, so let me tell you what happened. I had an order at Planet Sub, pulled up, and the doors are locked. Nobody inside. The hours said they should be open, but because of the snow, maybe employees were late, so I reported it as closed and moved on. No issue, right? Wrong. A few days later, same thing happens at Pizza Hut. This time I go mark it as closed and DoorDash hits me with a message. Are you sure? Because the last time you said the place was closed, another Dasher picked up the order. So basically they're saying either I lied or something shady happened. How does this happen? 1, the store was open but the doors are locked and you had to call through the app to get in. 2, another Dasher arrived after you and the store had just opened. 3, some Dashers fake picking up orders, mark them as delivered, and scam the system. And the problem, DoorDash doesn't investigate, it just assumes you were wrong. So if you don't have proof, you could be the one getting hit with the violation. So the solution and how do you protect yourself? If this happens to you, you need to be ready. Here's exactly what I do to protect myself from false reports. Step 1, take video evidence. When I see a place closed, I pull out my phone, take video of me pulling on the door, showing it's locked, and panning to the inside to show there's nobody there. Step 2, call the store. Before marking it as closed, always call through the app. If they don't answer, that's extra proof. And step 3, take screenshots and extra photos. Also take video. Even if DoorDash asks for 1 picture, I take extra. I keep my own records because DoorDash isn't ran by people, it's mostly ran by AI and it's automated. If I ever have to appeal something, I have the receipts and you should too. Here's a pro tip. If I got 100% completion rate, sometimes I don't even bother marking the store as closed anymore. I just cancel the order instead. Why? Because DoorDash isn't really verifying the closures, and it's a good way to avoid getting a violation in case another person comes scam the system. Protect yourself at all costs. Listen, I've been doing DoorDash for almost 8 years, and I've learned this the hard way. If you don't document everything, DoorDash will side against you every time. Take pictures, record video, call the store, or keep your own record. Have you ever had this happen to you? If you have, drop a comment below and let me know how you handled it. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more gig driving game. I'm gonna be dropping my top tips for maximizing DoorDash earnings. Don't miss it on the next one. Like I said, y'all like and subscribe. Let's keep getting to the bag.